This is Donald Fraser from Living Your Best Life at 60, and this morning I'm going to be making Butterscotch Blondie bars. We're going to need 2 cups of flour, a cup of butter, 2 eggs, actually 1 egg and 1 egg yolk, 1 3/4 cup brown sugar, 1 1/2 cups of butterscotch morsels, 2 teaspoons of vanilla, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a 1/2 teaspoon of salt. So let's get started. We're going to preheat our oven to 350 degrees, and I've buttered my 9-inch pan. I'm going to take parchment paper and put it in the middle of it so that our bars will come out evenly. Like that. We're going to set this aside. We're going to take our 2 cups of flour, add a 1/2 teaspoon of salt, a teaspoon of baking powder, and we're going to whisk these together. We'll set this aside. I'm going to take my cup of butter and I'm going to melt it in the microwave. I'm going to add my 1 3/4 cup brown sugar to our melted butter. I'm going to whisk that in until it's completely combined. Once our brown sugar and butter are completely combined, we're going to add our 2 teaspoons of vanilla and our eggs. We're going to do 1 whole egg and then 1 egg yolk. And we're going to whisk these in. We're going to pour our wet ingredients into our dry ingredients. And we're going to stir them in. Once they're completely combined, we're going to fold in our butterscotch morsels. We're going to transfer our batter into our prepared pan. I'm going to spread this across our pan evenly with my hand. We're going to bake our bars for 30 to 35 minutes at 350 degrees. We're going to check them in 30 minutes to make sure they're done, and if they're not, we're going to add 5 minutes. I've taken my Butterscotch Blondie bars out of the oven. I'm going to let them cool completely before I cut them and serve them. I'm transferring my cookie bars to my serving plate, but look at how easy this is. I'm just picking up my parchment paper and I'm moving it over. Now I'm just going to slide my parchment paper out from underneath it. And here we are. Our bars look fantastic. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please like and subscribe. Thank you for cooking with me.